Welcome to a new episode of Organizational Networks Explained. When we analyze organizational networks, we look at many different measures. But there's one that most people overlook and that we have been tracking for the past 10 years. How equally or sometimes unequally those connections are distributed. Are, for example, a few people holding all the connections, or is everyone part of the network and there's an evenly distributed? This chart shows exactly that across hundreds of organizations over a decade. Around 2020, informal help-seeking connections became more evenly distributed, and since then they have been concentrated again. But what does that actually look like inside a real organization? And see those few large bubbles, those are people in the center. Almost every connection flows through them. If you need help or advice, you go to one of those people, or you go nowhere. So now look at marketing. It's the same company, it's a similar size of an organization, and here you can see that the connections are spread more evenly. More people are part of the conversation. That is a resilient network. So what you can see here, two different functional organizations in the same company, and they had roughly the similar size, but completely different network realities. And you would never see the difference by looking at an org chart. That is why understanding how connections are distributed, not just who is connected, is one of the most powerful things you can know about your organizations. And also understand where the risks are that you need to mitigate.